Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you watch TikTok regularly, here I like to show you a new feature of TikTok, that is select an action. Let's have a look how to use please select an action on TikTok. To get this feature, make sure your TikTok app up to date. First, tap and open TikTok app. Just press and hold on the video. Here the new option, please select an action. You can save video from here. You can add favorites. Also you can use not interested button from here. Tap on add to favorites. It's added. Go to your profile and tap on my favorites button. If you like to remove this video from your favorites, just tap on the video and tap on share button. Tap on remove from favorites. Similarly, by long tap and get action button, you can save video from here directly. Just tap on save video. Also you can use not interested button. So this is a new option for TikTok. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.